Stepping into Hallstatt is like wandering into a fairy tale. Cradled between the towering Alps and the glassy Hallstatter Sea, this UNESCO-listed village unfolds in a cascade of pastel houses and timbered balconies. A lone church spire stitches the sky to the water, while swans drift through painterly reflections with a quiet, ethereal grace.
For a grander perspective, a funicular sweeps you upward to the Hallstatt Skywalk. Jutting out over the precipice, the platform offers a cinematic vista of the lake and rooftops below, making the transition from the village to the clouds feel like stepping directly into the sky.
From 360 meters above Hallstatt, about 1,180 feet, the village looks like a tiny storybook world. Houses and boats shrink into charming miniatures, and Hallstatter Sea glows beneath the mountains.
We pause here to soak in the sweeping panorama, then ride the cable car back down for a gentle lakeside stroll. At the end, we'll share how we got here and how you can plan your own visit.
Joining Panorama Tours makes the trip easy. It's about a 1.5-hour ride to Hallstatt, leaving you roughly 2.5 hours to explore on your own. The guide mentioned that visiting the Skywalk usually takes around 45 minutes in normal times, since you may need to wait for the cable car both up and down. Once at the top, plan your time carefully. Cable cars run every 15 minutes, so a 15 to 30-minute visit works well.
Tours depart from the Panorama Tours bus terminal in Salzburg and last about 5.5 hours. They run daily at 8:15 a.m., with an additional 12 p.m. departure from June 1st to October 15th.